Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to be discussing how can we create a drop down in an Excel workbook. So in this sheet there are multiple source of data collection. So what I'll going to be doing is I'll be selecting all by pressing command or A, or in Windows we can select control A, then go to data tab, pressing data validation. Then in setting, under allow section, I'll be taking drop down as list. Then I'll be providing the source. So I'll press here, give the source, then again press here, and then click OK. So that's how the multiple drop downs is created. You can, as you can see, there are multiple drop downs created here, and you can do copy by pressing command C in Mac and paste here and use as a drop down for your Excel sheet while doing work. So that's a quick wrap up about drop down. I hope you find this video useful, and if you find this video useful, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe for more, and press the bell notifications for further updates. Take care. Bye bye.